Good evening, viewers at home. Yeah, we are solving question on number basis, and one of my fans' child gave me this question. Though while I was solving, it was a live question, and while I was solving, I told him it's going to be 2.5, which I made a mistake along the line. So I quickly want to like make reference to it and show us how to solve it. So when you have something like this, the thing is this is 2.5. We have a whole number and we have a base. Now, if you look at this whole number, you see that it's smaller to the base we want to convert to. So, like I said, you split them, because let me first you split it to 2 plus 0.5, because 2 plus 0.5 will give us 2.5. Now we'll do 2 separately. Out of 2 we divide by 5, we keep our remainder here. 5 in 2 is 0, remainder 2. That means we already have 2 plus. Then we'll now do this aspect of 0.5. Then we start by multiplying, because we are going to beat 5, we keep on multiplying by 5. So 5 times 0.5 will give us 2.5. Once you have 2.5, you have to split it. 2.5 is the same thing as 2 plus 0.5, so I can say 0.5 outside here. So I will not, to have what I will have here, I will have to multiply by 5 times this 0.5, which will give me what? 2.5 again. If you subtract it, you still have 0.5. I still multiply by 5. I will multiply this 0.5 by 5. We are multiplying this by, it is this that we are multiplying by 5. Maybe I should put it here so that we'll understand. So by 5 again, we have 2.5. So you will have stopped here, but you have to, because we are dealing with decimal number, so you have to do it like 5 times before you stop, so that you have something very close to the initial number. So we now have, again, you still have, if you subtract 2 from it, you are left with what? 0.5. We are like after the decimal point, that's what we are leaving here. Then we multiply by the base, so we still multiply by 5. Then we, this 1 2 3, let's do it the fourth time. 5 times this, you still have 2.5. Then you have 0.5 again left. Then you multiply by 5 again, you still have 2.5 as well. So if you subtract it, you look at what is left, it's still what? 0.5. So on this note, you can stop here. This is 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. So to now get your answer will be the numbers before the decimal point here. So and you take it up like this. Sorry, you take it down. Is when you are dealing with this place that will go up, but this one will take it down. You take it downward. So it has to be downward in this case. So that will now give us 0.2222. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So your final answer will be 2 plus 0.222, which will give us 2.22222 base 5. So that is 2.5 base 10 is equal to 2.222 base 5. That's how to solve it. And if you don't believe that this is correct, now we've done this one from base 10 to base 5. Let's convert this from base 5 to base 10 and see how we will get it. So now let me reverse the question and write it as convert 2.22222 1 2 3 4 5 base 5 to base 10. How will you now get it? Solution. When you are converting decimal, you have 2.22222. The ones before the decimal, you start from 0 and you keep numbering towards your left hand side. But the one after the decimal point, you start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You start from 1 for those ones at the right hand side. The ones at the left hand side, you start from 0, which means this will give us, and don't forget this is base 5. So we now have 2 times 5 raised to power 0 here, plus anyone after at the right hand side, after the decimal point, that will be 2 times 5 raised to power minus 1, plus 2 times 5 raised to power minus 2, plus 2 times 5 raised to power minus 3, plus 2 times 5 raised to power minus 4, plus 2 times 5 raised to power minus 5. 2 times 5 raised to power 0, anything raised to power 0 is 1. That's 2 times 1, which will give us 2, plus this will give us 2 divided by 5, plus 2 all over 5 raised to power minus 2 is the same thing as 2 times 1 all over 5 raised to power 2, which is 25. So plus 2 all over, after 25, that's 125. 5 raised to power 3 is 125, plus 2 all over 625, plus 2 all over, that will give us 3125. So on the long run, we have 2 plus 2 divided by 5, that will give us 0.4, plus 2 divided by 25, that will give us, should be 0.08, plus this should give us 0.016. This will give us plus, just like in decimal form, it just be this times 2, 8, times 2, 16. So this will be 0.032, then plus 0.00064. If you look at this one, is 0.4, you add 1 0, it turns to 0.8. This one will be 3 decimal, 1 2 3. This one has to be 4, 1 2 3 4. That's why it's 3 2. This one has to be 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So if you go and check it, you have 2.499, let's say, I think 84 should be. If you add it, let's try to add it somewhere here. Is 0.08 plus 0.016 is 0.0032 is 0.00064 is 0.4. So let's add 0 to balance every other one. So if you have your answer, this will be 4, maybe 6 and 2, that's 8. This is going to be 6 and 3, that's 9. 8 and 1, that's 9. This will be what? 4. That's 0. So that's how we got 9, that's 8, 4. Approximately, this will give you 2.5 base 10. And don't forget this base 10. So that's how to solve it. So for those of you that want to learn about base, this is conversion of base in decimal, both from base 10 to base 10 to other base, and also from other base to base 10. That's how to solve it. On to the next video. Make sure you follow King of Mathematics, share it to friends, then you can drop your comments under the comment section. On to the next video. Bye.